Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Honda CRF450X trail bike. Fuel injected, electric start, 6-speed transmission. This high performance trail bike just arrived with only 120 miles on the odometer. This bike is in beautiful condition. This is the one set up for desert or off-roading. Came from Nevada, so it's got turn signals and a brake light, but it is not a street legal California bike. Come on by, make your CRF 450X dreams come true for just $10,499. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.